body tells a lie, disrespecting my boundaries, acting like they don't care about me. Yeah. Call it out really early, let them know that they just can't hurt me, and pretend like it just didn't happen. Know that if I catch you lacking, keep it moving. I'm not gonna be somebody's backup plan. Telling you.
I haven't shown you guys my nighttime routine. I'm not even sure if I did any nighttime routines in a while, but it's gonna look really quick because I am really hungry and I'm looking forward to Thai food. I tasted it during lunch and I fell in love because in Jamaica it's like a hit and miss. You don't really find quality food for a good price. You always find like a hit and miss or trial and error, but this is, oh my god, I don't know why I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited because I tasted it and it tasted amazing. I mean, I've been hearing a lot of like good reviews and horrible reviews about this place, but I tasted it. They did something with that. They did something with the drunken noodles. So I'm gonna do a little real quick and then put on some clothes and head downstairs. It's basically the same routine. I see why the girlies like tint their eyebrows. Since I dry mine, it's like it just comes off my face every time I wash my face. So I think I'm gonna look into brow tinting because it seems like a semi-permanent solution. One, I am tired of drawing in eyebrows every day, and two, it always seems to get wiped off or rubbed off whenever I'm doing work and get nervous or get like stressed out. So I think I want to look into brow tinting or brow whatever the insect bodies say. And I'm looking forward to my food. I'm gonna put on clothes real quick and
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you.
oh my goodness. Let me sit down, let me sit down. I cannot get over this. I'm gonna eat and watch a show and I'll get back to you soon.
Healthy relationships means they will vibe, we click.
Yes.
And that answer is
It hasn't even, this episode, the series hasn't even started.
It doesn't really matter because now you guys aren't even friends, you're running your life like that. So me hiding this information doesn't do any good, and it doesn't, you know.
That maybe, you know, she feels like an emotional connection, you know, because I feel like
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers, fucker, we crown shakers. Moved us out the margin with writing, that's how we found paper. Hustle nature, since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been the earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon, don't think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses, my nigga, I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace, what would you recommend?
I'm so looking forward to this food, you don't even understand. And now the main attraction. Oh my god, it's still very hot. I really thought that they would have come in this. The stuff would have come in this. But here we are. So what I got was butter chicken and beef rogan. It's anticlimactic because I really and truly thought I would have gotten a bigger serving size, but it's quality over quantity. I can't believe this is 2 servings of garlic naan. Now let me check it before anything, but I already left the store, so I can't even go back and be like, hey yo. Okay, yeah, this is 2 servings. Really and truly, I'm so happy right now